Today I'll be opening up some more of the 2025 Disneyland Wave B Hidden Disney pins. This is my third unboxing attempt at these and could be my last. Hopefully we get a little bit closer to completing this collection. So these pins are still available at Disneyland. They're in these silver and pink bags, and these are $22.99 per bag, and there are 2 pins in each bag. So this is a 37 pin collection, and it is broken up into 6 different themed series. So the pin designs that we can get here are Disneyland D series. We have the castles, we can get the ear hats, the treats, the yellow color story, and the bubble wands. And these are grouped together and the individual pins are paired together. So if you want to see more information on that, I went over all those details in my first unboxing video of these. So be sure to check that out if you want that information. But right now, let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 5 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. And as I said earlier, this is my third attempt at opening up these Wave B bags. I do have my board back here that shows my progress. And I don't know if you can see that super close, but I'm missing a lot of the Disneyland D series pins. So I would love to get some of those and some chase pins, but I know I only have 10 tries here. So there's a good chance we're going to see mostly doubles or all doubles, but hey, fingers crossed, might get something good here. So I do have 28 out of the 37, so I'm missing 9. So mathematically, I can do it. That's not gonna happen, but hey, right now, if I don't open this yet, I can do it. It's a possibility. As soon as I open this, probably not so much. So let's see what we get in bag 1. Ooh, I can see that it is a castle. Do we have all the castles, or we're missing the It's a Small World Chase castle? So let's see, maybe this will be it. And we get, ooh, it's a Small World Chase castle. Okay, this is starting off good. So we have the It's a Small World castle. So we have the kind of the It's a Small World facade at Disneyland. Got all the little triangles and stuff. I think I see the clock face there, and I see some numbers, and you have the little hidden Mickey symbol down at the bottom. So that is awesome. So now I put that back there. I have completed the castles, and the castles come with, boy, I don't know. I forget. I've done so many different hidden Mickey series that I forget what the castles come with. They come with ear hats? They do. And I have the Hades, or actually it's Pain and Panic. Is it Hades or Pain and Panic? Actually, I have the chart back here. Oh, they call it Hades. So we have the Hades one. And we do have Pain and Panic, but those are the 2 ears, Pain and Panic. And we have Hades in the middle with some fire. And I believe I do have this one. Yes, I do. So that is cool. Castles with ear hats. So now we want the D series, which I think come with, do those come with treats? Man, I should have looked this up. I forget. All right, we have another castle. So castle and ear hats. I am still missing Mrs. Potts. So let's see what castle we get. We have the Walt and Mickey, the partners castle. So we have the blue castle. We have that kind of a hidden Mickey back there with, looks like a bunch of dots that kind of make the Mickey design. And then you have the partner statue right down at the bottom. I really love the design of that one. And this will come with an ear hat. Let's see if it's Mrs. Potts. And we get, another Hades. So we have another Hades. So Hades comes with that castle. And then we got the Small World castle with it because Hades comes with the Partners castle or the Chase castle. So that is why we got the Chase castle. So let's get into bag 3. And this one, I can see a lot of yellow. So this is yellow color story. And I am missing 2 of those. Oh, I didn't grab the yellow color story. This is a different one. This one is, oh, it's a Disneyland D. And I don't think I have that one. This is, what's his name? Coda? Is that the bear? That's the bear from, is that from Brother Bear? I don't even know if I've seen that movie. Maybe once. So that's awesome. So we have the a black Disneyland D logo in the background. And then we have Coda in the front. Nice. So we did get a Disneyland D. So the Disneyland D series comes with yellow color story. And since that is a new Disneyland D for me. Might be a new yellow color story, but I did buy some of these individually. So we'll see. And we have, I can already tell from the back, this is a good one, and it is Simba. Nice, and this is a chase. This is the yellow color story chaser pen. So we have Simba. I really like how his tail creates a loop. I always like pens that have some cutouts in them. That is very cool, and I love Simba. Like collecting Lion King pens. So there we go. Hey, so far, this is good. This is a good unboxing. I already have 3 that I needed, and 2 of them are chase, and one of them is a Disneyland D series pen. So this one, seeing in the reflection, I see a treat, and it looks like it's kind of a teal color, and I have all the treats. Do I? No, I'm still missing a treat. I'm missing the Haunted Mansion Chaser. And this one is, the pin back is like not on it. This is the Mad Tea Party treat. Yeah, do you ever get one like that where the Mickey pin back, like the hole isn't drilled far enough and it's barely hanging on there? So this one, we have the kind of yellow and orange bottom of the cupcake, and we have some bluish green frosting, and we have a teacup on the top. And that is where the hidden Mickey is at. So that one is pretty cool. So we already have that one. And then these come with the bubble wands. They do. And I already have all the bubble wands, but I did get the Stitch bubble wand, which is also a chaser. I think I did a trade with Connie, and I think that's where I got my Stitch bubble wand. But yeah, here we go. We have Stitch bubble wand. Very cool. So you have his ears sticking out at the side, and then we have kind of the red at the base there, and the hidden Mickey's way down at the bottom of the bubble wand. Very cool. So, if I didn't have that one, I would be at 3 chases already. That's pretty good. All right, last bag, and I could tell it's a castle. So I have the castles done, but we have one more attempt at getting Mrs. Potts, and the castle is... We have another Small World Chase Castle. All right. Well, we were going to get a double of any of the castles because I have them all, but I guess getting a double of a chaser is pretty good. That way you can trade a chaser for a chaser. And this one is going to be any of the ear hats. And what we're hoping for is Mrs. Potts, but I can tell from the back, it's not Mrs. Potts. I don't know who this is. Oh, it's Mulan. Very cool. I think this one might be another one I got from somebody. So we have Mulan, and she has a fan in one ear and then a comb in the other ear. And then she has a flower up on the top. That is a really cool pen. I like that one too. Like I said, I do have that one, but I don't remember unboxing it. So it's the first time I've unboxed one. So there we go. So this was actually a pretty good unboxing. Getting, what do we have? We have 8 uniques out of those 12 or 10 tries. So that is pretty good. And I was able to get quite a few that I didn't have already. So that was my 3rd attempt at the 2025 Disneyland Wave B Hidden Disney Pens. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite that I unboxed here. My favorite is going to be the It's a Small World Castle. I love the Castle pen series, and I also love the It's a Small World facade at Disneyland. So that is my favorite pen here. So overall, this was a pretty good unboxing for me. Going into this unboxing, I had 9 pens to go to complete this collection. So I was expecting to get all doubles, but I ended up getting 3 new pens. So now I only have 6 pens to go. So I still need 3 of the Disneyland D series pens, including the chase for that. I have all of the castles. I only have Mrs. Potts left for the ear hats. And for the treats, I only have the Haunted Mansion Chase pen. And then the Yellow Color Story, I only need Flounder. And the Bubble Wands I already had completed. So only 6 more pens to go. So now, do I buy more bags, or do I just try to trade or buy the ones that I'm missing? Buying more bags, the odds are really against you when you only have 6 left. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a 4th unboxing of these pens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.